that's how I used to develop so fast in trading, because I used to trade. Oh, I thought I was tripping, bro. Welcome. How you doing, bro? Let's have a great ass Friday. It's the last trading day of the week, and let's make it a great one, okay? As usual. And yesterday was one loss, but still, so far profitable on the week. Super calm week, and we're just chilling. So I'm going to go live trade with the Discord at 9:30 a.m. Eastern time in 1 hour, okay, to be exact. And let's just have a calm day, super calm. It's gonna be a long day, Friday, and let's just relax, take a seat, and enjoy the ride, okay? But it doesn't really matter when are you watching this, whether it's Friday, Monday, Tuesday, Sunday, doesn't really matter. Just have a great day, and just you have to win the day. How do you win the day? Well, I have a rule that I have 3 main tasks that I need to do, and those tasks are correlated with my goals. And I need to achieve those tasks within the day to win the day. Okay, that's how you win the day. And when you win the day, you can easily win the week. Once you win the week, you can just continue and win the month. Once you have a winning month, you can just win the year. And once you win the year, you're balling, okay? You're balling. So man, let's continue. I'm gonna go live trade really soon. All right, so I just finished up live trading with the Discord in the call, and I'm gonna do a little trade recap and show you what happened and keep it real. So look, I took one trade today, which was this one, but these two, I was about to enter. This was about to break structure, but in this broker, it didn't break structure. Some of my members told that in their broker, it did break structure. And as you can see, the bias was correct, everything was correct. And here also, I wanted to break structure around here, but it broke structure all the way down here, so I didn't take these two, unfortunately, okay, unfortunately. But the bias was correct, etc. But this line right here is when I'm gonna de-risk, meaning I'm gonna risk less in a particular trade. So, because this is 10:30 a.m. Eastern time, right? So the price action started to slow down, as you can see. So I entered, got consolidated out, unfortunately. So, but it was a de-risk trade for a reason, as you can see. But I keep it real, man. I keep it real. Unfortunately, I'm gonna take like a man. Today was a loss, and this is how it goes, okay? This is 1 week, my first break-even week in literally in months, okay? And that's interesting, but I'm not mad at all. I'm not mad at all. September, super profitable so far. It's 20th day, and super profitable so far. September, you know how it goes, but regardless, break-even week, and that's fine. But I, in the Discord, someone told me like, and I literally say the same shit, that it's in trading, it's like, if you're profitable, sometimes there are gonna be like taxes, okay, taxes, and not little taxes, but like business expenses. Like you have to understand, you have to view it like a business. But you know what? I'm gonna take like, man, that's a loss for today, and that's how it goes. But if you guys know something about trading, price action always moves in a trend, right? Look at this. Let me show you guys. Look. Oh man. So price action moves in a trend. Uptrend, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, right? This is like, if you're profitable, you're gonna move in higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. You move more to the upside, but sometimes there could be business expenses. You lose in a couple of trades, but overall you're moving up, okay? And good risk management, good win rate, everything. You're moving up consistently. So that's literally the message of the day, and that's the literal key to trading success, like moving consistently. Not doing anything crazy. Don't do anything crazy all of a sudden. Do not blow your account. Do not risk your whole account in one trade. Move consistently, okay? Show up every single day. Take the best possible trades. Fix your psychology. Do you see me mad? No. Break even week. That's fine. Okay, regardless. I'm gonna eat some food, and I will update you guys outside, all right? Peace out. So, we out here, chilling, Friday night. I'm not going to drink or anything today, or anything like that. I barely even do that nowadays. I don't do that much. But I'm chilling. All right, man. So what's good? My phone died outside, unfortunately. So I couldn't record much, and but there wasn't much to record. I got like I was like outside, say what's up to my friends. I wasn't that long outside. Okay, I said what's up. It's about to be 10:30 p.m. Okay, p.m. in my country's time. I know, may seem kind of like a time skip. My bad, my bad. But I go like, it's a calm Friday, calm Friday. I wasn't going out like to drink or anything, but calm day, calm day. Even though we lost today, I think was I liked today's. I really liked today's price action, and I would most definitely take that trade again and again. And as you saw, I was talking about the risk management, know when to risk more, know when to risk less. Me personally, I have a rule: when it gets 10:30 a.m. Eastern time, I will de-risk in a trade, meaning I will risk less. Just, that's one example. And if it's like an A++ setup, you need to risk more. Regardless, my point is, if you are a trader and you feel like you're lost, you feel like losses get into you too much, ask yourself, how long have you been trading? Okay? How long have you been trading? Do you think you need to be profitable? Do you think you should be profitable already? Okay, ask yourself that. That's an honest question. Me personally, I've been trading for 3.5 years. I know. That's quite a long time for my age, but I started earlier. But the thing here is, me personally, I used to have problems with my trading because I saw all these Instagram gurus, I saw all these people telling me that it would be easy, and I didn't know about the time thing, okay? I only had been trading, like before, I only had been trading for like 1 year, and I thought I should be profitable already. But I was just developing, okay, as a trader. I didn't have my psychology set. And for me, it took time to learn because I wasn't learning from the right people in the beginning. But I think if nowadays I would start again, it would be much, much more easier. But yeah, again, if you're a trader and you think that if you lose a trade, it gets into your head too much, again, ask these questions. These motherfucking flies, bro. I think they just came from the food or something. From the fucking bananas or something. I don't know, what is that? My bad, bro. My bad, bro. Okay. So, if you are a trader and these losses get into your head too much, again, ask these questions. How long have you been trading? How much are you risking per trade? You might be over leveraging. Do you have your psychology? If you stress about a loss, most definitely you do not have your psychology yet. Okay? For me, I started to see my psychology kick in, like the bad aspect of psychology kick in, when I started to use real money, But, I have a method to you. You should start trading with $100 live account. Do not risk over risk. Do not try to flip account like these motherfucking gurus they always tell you, oh yeah, flipping 100 to a million. If you know, you know. But these gurus try to make it seem easy. No, do not flip. Use the $100 with wisdom, okay? You put it to an account, fix your psychology with it. Use your strategy, develop your strategy even better. Fix your psychology. That's a little life hack, okay? And I teach this to my students as well. Like, I tell them that, okay, start with $100, develop your psychology, because the psychology part is real, okay? It is 100% real, okay? If people tell you that psychology in trading isn't real, it most definitely is, okay? And the psychology can be anything. It can literally be, you cannot follow your trading plan. You cannot follow freaking your rules in your trading plan regardless. Or you're risking too much. You're being emotional, taking profits too early. It could be whatever. Okay, so it is real, most definitely. And also, if you lose a trade, you're mad. You see me, I lost today, but I'm cool. This month has been crazy, like really good. This week was the first break-even week in a while, in months, okay? And break-even, like I told you, it means like you're not making money in the week, but you're not also losing. So it's only a break-even week. So it's like a week off, basically. But, calm week. A lot of progress in the Discord. Also, if you want to join for free, it should be the link in the description. and you know, use the code 2K for 50% off. But yeah, back to the topic. Again, if you lose a trade and you get mad, fuck that. Focus on what you can. Okay, focus on what you can. Focus on getting better. Do not be emotional. Be happy. Be happy because losses is your biggest lesson. You have to understand that losses are your biggest lesson, and that's how I used to develop so fast in trading because I used to trade forex every single day. I used to wake up to London session to trade London session and also New York session. Okay, GBP USD and sometimes GBP JPY. Okay, those pairs, man, I used to on the charts all the time, failing, losing money, like not a lot, but you know, not a lot of money, but you know, I had a small live account. Real ones know the story. Real ones know the story. Regardless, I failed a lot and I learned a lot, and now I'm making good money for my age. Now, again, I'm not here to flex on you, bro. I'm not here to flex on you. I bring the reality. I think I'm one of the most realistic traders out in this space, and that's the reason why I came here. Okay, I cannot even name that many people who show their everything. Okay, everything that they do. Okay, I don't show you my highlights. I do not record only when I win. I do not record only when I freaking go to have fun. My fun is grinding. My fun is grinding, and I'm 17. Like, what else can I do than to grind? Like, I'm reading books. I'm so self-improvement, man. Everything. All right, that's what you need to do. Okay. But you know that was kind of some value, bro. If you made it this far, bro. If you made it this far, I'm proud of you, bro. I'm proud of you. You are really serious about your trading, about your life, and about your goals. So if you made it this far, bro, comment down below value. That's the way I know. Okay, that's just like indication. Like if you made it this far, okay. But yeah, value. As usual, bro. I'll see you on the other side. Peace out.